The following message is broadcasted at the request of local law enforcement agencies. This is an administrative message issued to Miami-Dade County. An incoming plane from Brazil has a passenger infected with the Zika virus. Brazilian Airlines flight number 299 is approximately 30 minutes room landing in Miami International Airport. All passengers on flight 299 will be transported to a local hospital and be quarantined and monitored to make sure that they did not get Zika while on the flight. Because of this, Miami International Airport will be closed for 3 hours. No flights will be able to take off or land. The airport is being evacuated. All roads will be blocked off so that ambulances will be able to take patients to the hospital. Please stay in your homes and do not go on the road for any reason. Please stay tuned monitoring media outlets for more information on the developing situation. The following message is broadcasted at the request of local law enforcement agencies. All passengers on Flight 299 have been transported to the hospital. All roads are now open and the airport can start allowing flights to take off and land.